Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your zip code on the Indeed job search application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Indeed application on your device and log into your account if you haven't done so already using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page from which you can browse through various different jobs. Now, if you wish to look for a job in a different state, city or territory, then click on the city-state area at the top right corner alongside the search box. Now within this box, you can simply type in your preferred zip code and then tap on the Find Job option in order to proceed with finding the jobs within the stated zip code. Then you can begin your search. However, if you wish to change the zip code that is saved to your profile, then tap on your profile from the home page. You will then be taken to your settings page from which you can click on Account Settings in order to change your personal information. From this page, if you scroll down, you will not find options to change your zip code, so click on the menu icon at the top right and then click on Profile. Now from the profile page, you will be able to see your profile information. Simply click on Add Location or the Edit Location button and you will be asked to enter your credentials. Type in your first and your last name and you can also edit your phone number. Now if you scroll down, underneath the location settings, you will be able to change your country, your street, as well as your zip code. So choose your country first of all, and then enter your street address, followed by the city, state, or territory. Finally, you will be able to type in your zip or your postal code. After entering your postcode within the postcode section, click on the Save button, and now your zip code will be changed within your Indeed profile right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your zip code on Indeed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.